So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alecias Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be making a green salad with croutons, chicken cordon bleu with garlic mashed potato and a side of asparagus. For dessert, we have a decadent chocolate cake with chocolate ice cream. So guys, for the recipe for my chocolate cake, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour or cake flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and those are the dry ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, we have 4 eggs, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 1.5 cups of warm water, and a half cups of oil. And a half cup of oil. Then we're gonna add the liquid to the dry ingredients, and we're gonna combine that. Make sure you don't overmix it because you don't want the gluten in the flour to form elastic strands, and this will result in a dense or chewy cake, so you don't want that. Now we're gonna pour our cake mix in a grease 12-inch cake tin, and this is greased with butter, and you can add flour. If you're doing chocolate cake, you can add cocoa powder to it. And guys, whether you choose to use the flour or the cocoa powder, just dust it lightly inside of the grease tin, and then you can just knock the excess from the cake tin. And then guys, you're gonna bake this at a 350 degrees oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now guys, for a chicken cordon bleu, I'm cutting my chicken in half. Well, not entirely in half, but you'll see what I mean. Then I'll be tenderizing the chicken. I mean, you can use a plastic wrap over the chicken to tenderize it if you want. I wasn't in the mood to do that, so I just use a rolling pin and just pound it. Yeah. And then I'm using my Maggi all-purpose seasoning just to season this because it has so much flavor. I can't use salt and pepper. That's not it. And we're gonna add our honey ham and Swiss cheese. Then we're gonna roll that to perfection or to your liking, but make sure it's pretty sealed, okay? Then you're gonna add that to your plastic wrap. Continue rolling. Then you're gonna add to the fridge for about, it's supposed to be there for an hour, but I took it out in 30 minutes, which was good enough. Then after removing that from the fridge, we're gonna add that to our crumb coat, which is flour, eggs, and breadcrumb. And the breadcrumb is just gonna give it this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful golden brown color. The texture is just beautiful and crunchy. Then in a skillet, we're gonna put our chicken there. Then we're gonna fry it on each side for about a minute, because remember the crumb coat is on it and it browns very easily. But we're gonna finish that off in the oven. So guys, our chocolate cake is finally out of the oven and it's beautiful. It's moist, it's soft, it's bouncy, it's everything. Okay, and also our potato is almost ready. Now in a skillet, I'm adding extra virgin olive oil. Then we're adding our garlic and onion. And we're just gonna saute this for about a minute or 30 seconds practically. And I'm adding heavy cream to that. And we're just gonna continue mixing until it forms a boil. Then I'll be adding my cream of mushroom. Now guys, fun fact, I went to the store to purchase actual mushroom, and because I was hurrying, I just grabbed this instead. But this was amazing. Then I'm adding Swiss cheese to that. And I'll be adding some garlic powder, even though garlic's in it, and some black pepper. And we're just gonna let that simmer on the stove for about 2 minutes until it thickens. Now guys, for our salad, I bought the salad at the grocery store. It wasn't much, but it came with crouton and also a salad dressing. I didn't like the ranch dressing, so I purchased a balsamic instead. Balsamic is one of my favorite dressing, but because the salad wasn't enough, I'm gonna add some romaine lettuce to that. Some cucumber, and we're just gonna slice that very thinly. Then some cherry tomatoes, and make sure those are washed. Then we're tossing our salad. Then we'll be adding our avocado and balsamic dressing. Now guys, this was amazing. I love salad so much. Love salad. So yeah, this is one of my favorite salad next to Capri salad. Now guys, for our cake, I won't be showing you entirely everything, because I'll show you guys how I decorate my cakes. I'll just show you guys half. But for my chocolate cake, I'm gonna cut the cake in half. Then I'm gonna add my chocolate ganache. Now I made this ganache the night before. Then I'm just placing it in the middle of that cake, and then I'm gonna sandwich it with the top half. I mean, this is not the right spatula that I'm supposed to use, but guys, I'll be purchasing stuff on Amazon. it's because of this virus. Like after this virus, guys, it's just amazing content. Okay, amazing content. Then guys, in a skillet on medium heat, I'm sauteing some onions and garlic. Then I'm gonna add my asparagus to that, guys. I love asparagus. I know I'm saying I love a lot of stuff, but everything I prepared are stuff that I really love. If I didn't love it, I wouldn't be preparing it. But if you guys have any suggestions of things you'd like me to do, like, y'all leave it down in the comment section. I promise you I'll do it. Okay, I'm here for you guys. Now my asparagus, I blanched them because I didn't want to sit over the stove like watching this asparagus, because I don't like when my asparagus is too crunchy. I don't like when it's too crunchy nor too soft, if you get what I mean. But I'm adding salt and pepper just to give it a little taste, flavor, if you must. And guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and guys, subscribe, turn on your post notification. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.